representing square root of real number on number line. We learn how to represent the square root of a real number on the number line. For example, we have to represent root 3.5 on the number line. How do we do this? The first step is draw simply a line. So we'll draw simply a line. We'll name it XY. Now take a point A on this line. From A, keep the scale over here and measure 3.5 centimeter and name this point as B. Is it okay? We've taken point A on the line XY. From A, we've kept the scale and we've measured 3.5 centimeter and the next point is point B. Now, from B, that is keep the scale at point B and measure 1 centimeter. This point is C. Is it okay? From B, we kept the scale and we measured 1 centimeter. Now, we'll find the midpoint of AC. The line segment AC, we are going to find the midpoint. So, we'll do one thing. We'll draw the perpendicular bisector. That will give us the midpoint. So, we'll keep the compass at A and we'll take more than half of AC. We'll open the compass such that it is more than half of AC. And we'll keep the compass at A and then we'll draw one arc from A. Similarly, keep the compass at C and draw another arc. And now join this like that. From the intersection point, join it over here and drop it on the line XY. Name this point as O. This point O is the midpoint of AC. Now we've got the midpoint of AC. Now we can say that AO and OC is the radius of AC. So I can measure AO with the compass. I'll measure AO with the compass. I'll keep the pointer of the compass at O and I'll draw this semicircle. What I did is, I'll repeat once again. I measured with the help of compass A to O. Then I placed the pointer at O and I drew this semicircle. Now, from B, take the scale and draw a straight line that is perpendicular, 90 degree. From B, draw a straight line till this semicircle. Name this point as D. This BD is root 3.5. How do we represent it on the number line? We'll keep the compass at B and we'll measure it till D. After measuring BD, keep the compass at B and let the compass come like that. These dots like that. Here this point is root 3.5 on the number line. In this way, we can represent the square root of any real number on the number line. I hope it is clear. Please try to understand, students.